guys, this is Jenny from CableCreation. I believe that most people now own a lot of electronic products with the rapid development of technology. Like me, I have my cell phone, iPad, Bluetooth headphones, handheld fan, etc. Those are items I often use, but sometimes I may forget to charge them beforehand if I want to go out. Then I need to take a suitable cable with me. But what is suitable? How could I have that question? I used to charge my Bluetooth with the cable that should be used to charge my fan. But I found that the charging speed is very slow. Then I figured out the cable is not suitable for my Bluetooth. So this video is about how to choose USB charging cable. Today I picked out two kinds of cables to show you their difference. One is CC1015 USB 2 C2C cable, 3 ampere 2 meters. The other is CC1018 USB 2 C2C cable, 5 ampere 2 meters. So next, I will use this 16-inch MacBook Pro and the original 96-volt power adapter and the original cable, and these two cables to make a simple comparison. So first, I connect the original MacBook charging cable, and let's see the charging situation of this cable. We can click Apple icon about this Mac, system report, power, and slide to AC charger information section, and we can see here the charging voltage of this cable is 94 volts. Next, I will switch to CableCreation 5 ampere cable. Okay, take out CC1018 and connect it to the MacBook Pro. And press Command and R to refresh this page. Slide down, we can see the charging voltage of this cable is 94 volts. It's the same as the original MacBook charging cable. Next, switch to CC1015, the 3 ampere cable. Connect it. Then refresh and slide down. Oh, we can see the charging voltage is changed. It's 60 watts. It's declined. Alright, all in all, through this simple comparison, we can figure out that if we need a replacement cable for this 16-inch or 15-inch Mac notebook, we can feel free to choose this CableCreation 5 ampere cable. And this 3 ampere cable is suitable to charge 13-inch Mac notebook. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!